Okay guys, I am just making this short little YouTube video for my channel about the IKEA closet. Those are only $10 and I have all my skirts in there. That's how convenient those little things are. And you can put hat boxes with things in there, and all these doors pull out. And this is total with installation, everything, $900. So you don't really have to go to California Closets or any of those expensive places. You can just have TaskRabbit do it for $35 an hour. Takes about 2 hours to do this, and he did this in 2 hours. And his name is Gary, who's an amazing TaskRabbit guy. He didn't charge me anything for using his screws or hardware or anything. And he did that section, and the other section I just showed you for like, I think I got $900, and this was an extra 100, so it's probably $1,000 for that closet and this whole section. Then today I added this section, which I just added another shoe rack, which is $165 all the way down. And then these 3 poles, which made it about $190. So it was like $190 for this section here. And then I paid the installer for 3 hours. So I paid an extra $140. So I'd say this whole closet I probably did for what, $550, which is great. Look how organized it is. And then this closet, like I said, was like $900. So that's not bad. You can't get Closet Made or California Closets or anything that cheap. And all these pull out. You've got glass drawers that pull out. You've got jewelry drawers. You can have different compartments. You've got, this has a piece of glass that goes over it if you want to put something under it, but I didn't buy the glass because I really didn't need it. I have glass up here. And all these pull out too. And you even have baskets on the bottom that pull out that you can put your bathing suits in, all your bathing suits or whatever you want. So it's amazing, guys, what IKEA has. And all you do is you go to TaskRabbit.com and you choose by looking at the reviews, the guy in your area, and looking at their experience. And they come out and they charge you by the hour. This is Jeannie, the Selfie Girl, live on location, just saying, looking and feeling younger, having the right clothes is super important, and it will make you feel so much better if you have cute clothes. And today I'm about to go ride my bike because, as you can see outside that window, or maybe outside this window better, it's a dark, dreary day today. So I'm gonna ride my bike before it rains. That is my IKEA closet makeover that you guys just saw. And again, this was just a horrible closet with wire shelving, and now it's all organized and I have all this floor space. I'm gonna put a little stool in there that I can use to reach way high up, because I made these go way high up because I wanted a lot of room and I want to maximize the use of my closet. This one too, it's almost to the ceiling, but you can put lighting that hangs over that, that's really pretty, that goes down, so you could do that. But that's it. Bye. Hope you guys have a very organized closet at your house, and that you are having a great day on Saturday. And subscribe. I'm going to talk to you a lot about looking and feeling younger. Like today, I've already done the medicine ball. I've already done these 15-pound dumbbells. I've done dumbbell swings, lunges, squats, throwing the ball and squatting with it, etc. It's a 15-pound medicine ball. And now I'm going to go cycling. And after cycling, I'll take a nice speed walk around the neighborhood. So keep doing it, guys. You got this. You can do it. Bye.